Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna explaining to you about the EJRP stop summary and EJRP stop static. So this I already make the explanation, summary explanation. So this in here, EJRP stop summary is only summary routes if summarization is configured on the router and does not advertise individual connected network or static routes. And here the use case is in the larger topologies where you do not want to flood the neighbor with detailed routers. Example, a branch router advertised 10.10.0.0/16 and instead of all 24 subnets.
Okay.
What the benefit? The benefit is reduce routing table size on the neighbor and simplifies routing information. So let's make routing information make it make simple and making the core more scalable. And this is for the EJRP stuff. The EJRP stuff is only static router that have been configured on the router and redistribute into EJRP. So only static routers who already configured on the router and redistribute into the EJRP can use it and does not advertise connected or summary routers unless added separately. Use case. In here, the use case is a remote site router that only needs to tell HKey about specific static routers. An example is static route to a local DMZ or backup network that is not directly connected. What the benefit? The benefit is give prices control over what routes the stop send. Useful when routing at the stop is handled mainly by static configuration. This is the key compression stop. What is that? Guys, when the connected is only directly connected to the router. So
10,4
when you use that,
satu dia bisa.
if you use small site with the simple ones, for the summary is only summary routes, aggregates, and large network route aggregation needed. And the static is only redistribute static routes, site relying on static route. And when use it if the site relying on the static routing. And this is the connected plus summary. It advertises when the connected and summary, and when to use is general use and efficient and scalable, and redistribution is it advertises when only redistribute routes from other protocol, and when it use a when multi-protocol environment. And the last one is reserve only. It advertise when does not advertise any route and uses for passive stuff. So this is the mini summary is stop summary is advertised on the aggregated network, good for scalability, and stop static is advertised on the static route, good for controlled and manual routing. So that's the summary. We go to we see the topology. Actually, the topology is very simple. It's not like before. Maybe this is the continue before. So in the router 2, using the router EJRP1, and don't forget to shut down the no EJRP stop connected and change to EJRP stop summary. And the router 3 is show IP route here. Only like that, because before you already configured a EJRP stop connected and summary. And after that, we go to the EJRP stop static. Okay, the router EJRP1 and forget to shut down the AGRP stop summary. No AGRP stop summary, and after that, AGRP static change to the AGRP static and show IP rate. We will change like this. Simple, right? But yeah, maybe only like that. Like maybe we go to the like more about the uh, more explaining about the material. Okay, so we got the ChatGPT. We asking, and said, okay, we wait. So in here the first concept in AGRP stop is stop router is like uh, the router is the, the place is in the how to say ujung, or we call it branch or remote side. What the functional is to not make the router to transit traffic or to not continue the traffic between two routers and not accept the query more than query in the router in the neighbor router and like how to say more CPU and bandwidth and only like only the commercialing the root uh yeah the router to or not all the router. This is the order here and this is the option. Before I already told you about this one. This is the key compression. The EJRP step is router only commercialing the summary routes to the neighbor and it uses when we have a lot network in stop router. But if we want to send the summary or routing table to neighbor, it's more like more easiest way. And after that, it's how to say mengurangi, I forgot. Like the size of routing table and jumlah update to send. Okay. EGRP stop static. So is in EGRP static is router stop will be commercialing the static route and static route. The usual static route will be used for uh, link link khusus. And if the perangkat, if the tools is if the device is non EGRP or server and the specific tujuan. And if the EGRP stop static, but with the EGRP stop static, router still can advertise the static route to neighbor, but it still the title is still have stop, and it's not reduce the query. So like that. Here just mention this small summary. So the stop router will advertise only here destination here 10.10.0.0/16 to the network and not to all subnet, like small subnet. And this router only commercialing the network who connected already connected, and the static root, summary root, and not uh, continue the query. So the summary is EJRP stop summary with advertise only the summary roots. If it cocok for the how to say cocok, I forget. To make this summary network, and EJRP stop static with advertise static routes for the route manual to the destination, specific destination, and uh, two of this will make the router more efficient and reduce yeah, the query, and uh, to how to say menjaga a big scale of network to make it stable. Okay, maybe that's all for today. Sorry if my English still bad because I'm still practicing. Syukron wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.